A painful leg cramp robbing you of a good night's sleep? Let's uncover 3 superfoods that can turn that around. Today's video dives into the top 3 superfoods that empower seniors to stay cramp-free, boost muscle strength, and enhance mobility. Stick around. You won't want to miss these life-changing nutrition hacks. If you're feeling it, type "Yes, I am," drop your questions in the comments, and hit that subscribe button. If you're new here, let's jump right in. First up, eggs. When it comes to nutrient-dense foods that bolster muscle health, eggs shine as a powerhouse loaded with essential vitamins and minerals. So how do eggs specifically battle leg cramps in older adults? Let's break it down together. Since muscle fatigue often triggers cramps and protein is vital for muscle repair and maintenance, eggs play a key role. Low B12 levels can disrupt nerve signals, leading to spasms, tingling, and cramps. Eggs protect nerve health by supplying both B12 and choline, which work in tandem to insulate nerves and enhance muscle-nerve communication. This helps ensure smooth contractions and relaxations, preventing the neuropathy that often troubles diabetics and seniors. Eating eggs regularly supports nerve integrity and reduces the misfired signals that cause cramps. Are older adults more likely to cramp if their B12 is low? And can eggs help? Absolutely. How many eggs should seniors eat each week to support muscle health without spiking cholesterol? Research confirms that 6 to 7 eggs per week is safe for most people and doesn't significantly affect cholesterol levels in healthy seniors. If you have heart issues or high cholesterol, consult your doctor. But swapping processed meats for eggs is still a heart-smart move. And yes, eggs can help ease those nighttime leg cramps. Nighttime leg cramps are often linked to poor muscle recovery, electrolyte imbalances, and nerve issues. Because eggs deliver protein for repair, B12 for nerve protection, plus vitamin D and calcium for muscle function, adding eggs to your evening meal or breakfast helps balance nutrients and supports overnight muscle recovery. Of course, some seniors may need to adjust their egg intake based on health conditions. Seniors with kidney disease might have to limit protein, while those with high cholesterol can opt for egg whites. Diabetics should pair eggs with fiber-rich veggies and whole grains for stable blood sugar. Overall, eggs are a fantastic food for muscle, nerve, and overall health. For best results, aim for 6 to 7 eggs per week, paired with nutrient-dense foods like leafy greens, dairy, and nuts. And remember to stay hydrated and keep your electrolytes balanced. If you're looking to naturally ease muscle cramps, eggs are a simple, effective addition to your diet. Next time you're making breakfast, think about adding an egg to the plate. It's one of the best choices for muscle health. Drop a comment saying sunny side up if you're all about fueling your muscles with protein power. Now, let's talk about bananas for potassium. Potassium is crucial for muscle contractions, nerve signaling, and fluid balance. When potassium levels dip too low, muscles are more prone to spasms and cramps, and bananas are among the best natural sources of this mineral. A medium banana helps maintain proper potassium levels, which in turn regulates muscle contractions and prevents spasms. It ensures smooth nerve communication for muscle control and helps balance fluids. For seniors, 1 to 2 bananas daily can notably reduce cramp frequency. So, what happens when potassium is too low? It impairs the transmission of electrical signals between nerves and muscles. Low potassium makes muscles overly excitable, leading to frequent cramping, while disrupted nerve signals increase the risk of involuntary contractions and muscle stiffness. Studies show seniors are at higher risk for potassium deficiency due to reduced appetite, poor dietary intake, side effects from medications like blood pressure diuretics, and dehydration. By incorporating bananas into the diet, seniors can naturally replenish potassium levels and keep muscles functioning properly. Magnesium is another key mineral that aids muscle relaxation and nerve function. It reduces muscle excitability, supports ATP production for energy, and regulates calcium and potassium balance essential for muscle performance. Each banana provides about 32 milligrams of magnesium, which helps prevent tightness and spasms. Since many seniors don't get enough magnesium, pairing bananas with other magnesium-rich foods like nuts and leafy greens can further reduce cramping and enhance recovery. Nighttime cramps often stem from electrolyte imbalances, low potassium and magnesium, poor circulation, and dehydration. Because bananas pack potassium, magnesium, and hydrating carbohydrates, having 1 to 2 hours before bed may relax muscles, lessen cramp intensity, and help balance electrolytes, leading to a more peaceful sleep. What role does vitamin B6 in bananas play? It's vital for nervous system health. It regulates neurotransmitters, controlling muscle movements, reduces inflammation for quicker recovery after exercise, and boosts red blood cell production to ensure muscles get enough oxygen. Each banana supplies roughly 0.4 milligrams of vitamin B6, nearly 30% of the daily need for seniors. Research indicates that low vitamin B6 can increase muscle cramping and spasms due to nerve dysfunction, heightened inflammation, and diminished energy production. A 2018 study even found that seniors with low B6 experienced more leg cramps. Since bananas naturally supply vitamin B6, they help prevent nerve and muscle issues, restore potassium and magnesium levels, and reduce electrolyte cramps. They also provide natural sugars and water to promote hydration and balance sodium levels, critical for muscle contraction and relaxation. While bananas aid in hydration, they should be enjoyed with plenty of water. Aim for 6 to 8 glasses daily, and consider pairing bananas with water or coconut water to maintain the ideal fluid and electrolyte balance that wards off dehydration-induced cramps. How many bananas should seniors eat to prevent leg cramps? Typically, 1 banana per day offers enough potassium and magnesium for muscle health, though 2 may benefit those with frequent cramps. Because bananas are high in natural sugars, seniors with diabetes should enjoy them in moderation alongside fiber-rich foods like nuts or whole grains. In summary, a daily banana along with proper hydration and a balanced diet can significantly improve muscle function and reduce cramps. Comment peel power if you're all about boosting your strength with natural potassium. Now on to our third superfood, nuts and seeds. Although foods like bananas and leafy greens are celebrated for their potassium and magnesium, nuts and seeds add another powerful element to your diet that can enhance muscle health and prevent cramping. Packed with magnesium, potassium, protein, and healthy fats, they promote muscle relaxation, improve circulation, and help maintain electrolyte balance. Let's look at how almonds, pumpkin seeds, cashews, and other nuts work their magic. Many seniors don't get enough magnesium, leaving them vulnerable to frequent painful leg cramps. Nuts and seeds are among the best natural sources of magnesium. A 1-ounce serving of pumpkin seeds contains roughly 168 milligrams, about 40% of daily needs, while almonds provide around 77 milligrams, approximately 30% of daily requirements. A small handful each day can restore magnesium levels and keep muscles relaxed and healthy. Though bananas are known for potassium, many nuts and seeds also offer this vital mineral. Pistachios deliver about 290 milligrams per ounce, almonds around 200 milligrams, and cashews roughly 160 milligrams. Since electrolytes like magnesium and potassium are lost through sweat, replenishing them is key for muscle recovery and cramp prevention. Why are nuts and seeds so effective? They're rich in magnesium and potassium, support muscle recovery, offer healthy fats that reduce inflammation, and provide protein for muscle repair. For seniors who experience cramps after physical activity, a handful of nuts or a sprinkle of seeds on meals can help restore lost minerals and keep muscles cramp-free. The healthy fats in these foods boost circulation, ensuring muscles receive ample oxygen and nutrients. Omega-3 fatty acids in walnuts and flax seeds lower muscle inflammation, while the monounsaturated fats in almonds and cashews improve blood flow, reducing the risk of cramps. Since poor circulation can lead to painful leg cramps, especially at night, regular consumption of nuts can enhance blood flow and ease cramping episodes. Can nuts and seeds also reduce inflammation that contributes to muscle fatigue and cramping? Yes, chronic inflammation can damage muscle tissue and make seniors more susceptible to cramps and soreness. Nuts and seeds are loaded with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that cut oxidative stress, lower inflammation, speed muscle recovery, and support long-term muscle health. For seniors managing chronic muscle pain or arthritis, adding walnuts, flax seeds, and almonds to the diet can provide natural anti-inflammatory benefits. While all nuts and seeds offer valuable nutrients, some stand out due to their high magnesium, potassium, and protein content. Top choices for preventing leg cramps include pumpkin seeds with 168 milligrams of magnesium per ounce, almonds, rich in both magnesium and potassium, pistachios, an excellent source of potassium at 290 milligrams per ounce, cashews, high in magnesium and healthy fats for improved circulation, and walnuts, brimming with omega-3s to combat muscle inflammation. For optimal results, seniors should enjoy a variety of nuts and seeds to capture all these benefits. How many should you eat daily? Although they're nutritious, nuts and seeds are calorie-dense, so portion control is crucial. A small handful, about 1 ounce, equivalent to roughly 20 almonds or 2 tablespoons of seeds, is ideal. You can sprinkle flax, chia, or pumpkin seeds on meals to boost nutrient absorption and electrolyte balance. Enjoying them with meals, before bed, or after exercise can reduce nighttime cramps and aid muscle recovery. In moderation, these snacks help prevent cramps while fitting into a balanced diet. Keep in mind, though, that nuts and seeds come with a few cautions. Their high-calorie content means overeating might lead to weight gain, and salted or processed versions could contribute to dehydration, increasing cramp risk. Additionally, some people have nut allergies, and their high fiber content might cause bloating in those with sensitive digestion. The solution? Choose unsalted, raw, or dry roasted varieties and enjoy them in moderation to maximize benefits without unwanted side effects. Comment nutty for health if you're all about snacking smart to keep cramps at bay. In conclusion, if you found this video helpful, please hit the like button. It really helps us bring you more valuable content. Drop a comment with your thoughts, questions, or suggestions for our next topic. We love hearing from you, so be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest health tips and insights. Stay informed, stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next video.